Hi, to insert dual SIM cards in your Samsung Galaxy S25, first thing first, take this tool which is called ejector for opening SIM card tray. And also it goes in a compact with device. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can try to use a needle. But be careful because you may damage this slot. Now we need to actually open it, so take a look at the bottom of the phone and place your ejector pin in this little hole like that. Slightly press till it will pop up and take it out using your nails. And now we can see space for the first SIM card and for the second. So take your first one and place it with chip side upwards like that. And just like this. Now hold it with your nail or finger, flip this slot, take your other SIM card and also place it with chip side upwards like this. And now we need to flip it back and put carefully in this SIM tray like this and close it completely. And now let's check the connection. So for that, we need to go in settings. Here find connections and then go in SIM manager. And now you should see that both your SIM cards are activated. So the switchers are blue. And also you can set preferred SIM for calls, messages, and mobile data. And also in the upper right corner, which is status bar, you can see two signal bars, just like in my case. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.